Kuya, okay lang kayo? Hi everyone, it's me, Grace, the co-founder of the first coffee playhouse in the Philippines. Come with me as we serve 100 cups for a company Christmas party in Marikina City. But oh no, bago pa kami makarating ng event, so eto na nga. Habang papunta kami sa event, nawala si kuyang driver and nung binalikan namin sila, nabangga pala sila sa puno. Wala naman nasaktan sa insidente pero nabasag yung isang sauce pump namin. Natapon yung dala naming mineral. Kinailangan pa namin dumaan sa purifying station bago makarating sa mismong event. So going back to the event, our client availed our package fee with 100 cups for their company Christmas party. Actually, first time namin makatransaction si client so I asked her if how did she know To Cafe Playhouse. She said, recommend daw si To Cafe ng friend of a friend of a friend of a friend. Kasi masarap daw ang drinks and napakaganda daw lagi ng setup. And when I heard that, I'm so kilig, guys. By the way, our coffee cart package has free customized stickers and free stamps. Yes, free lang siya, guys. And since Christmas party ang ating event, naglagay rin kami ng garland, Christmas balls, and Christmas decor para makumpleto ang ating aura.
It's a wrap!
Sarap!